Ombaro ubrio haka slapper thai udai wabyang hagi department haba wan shaka slapper thai henry udai hi ujing tha bakar pang jong play but baro kidon laka jonga sam bat ka jing shampang haka jingya lenti bon sen ngilam bagi baduna hagi department ru kidon laka jonga benta bat bon sen kilong ka nuksa ya ki babet babyang gi department henry ki badap da ki jing khnyum Hakabaya David kini ki brio ki bagi ru ki special able persons lani ki persons with disability kadon katnat trekam jong ka sarkar ka bakhmi ya ka bha kamyat jongki ka batip kom state resource center on disability affairs ki ju ai jing hikai bat panpau prathai ye ki jingker khu ki ba kini ki brio ki yo lengba ka jing pendan kam hok ya ka sap karpang bagi yo nau blai Nakal yang uslong mil ukurwa ka atyar udon ka benta ba kongsan ban penpriang susu e kaniga kubor da ka bangin pensengap e jingkran jong uba waiki snaitang bat uparalok jong u.
Lagi pi baro sasisin bang pat bat ukentuk. Kentuk menta udon kaniga jaka ke bitenat bapunga babon pi baro kijutif bat kijui. Bat kantong ki kena tulang ki berim. Ada kaniga jaka jong ka Anomon College. Anomon kendu. Banyak snow yang kubor jika testimony Bertemju, jika jingim, jingman, jongway lagi kena beri person with disability, lani kena berdoa cuma kat department, ina, hang ni kena masaki, bahagian ni ke college, dan kat nomor diberi person with disability. Hang ni mentang, menjawab kendu, iway next student jongka Anomon College, berkembang itu mai bah hang ni apa Anomon College kita kat ni Keberi person with disability henry mentang New York swan kong ya iwe nak student ban ai ketat semani ban ai ya ka jingim ka jinglong ka jingim ka ji ka bai im man singi ban instang kong ta ka ban pni thu shwa ya ladi
Kulish bunin pi baro ngadi iwai ki snaitang ngalong iwe student jongkani ka St Edmunds College di mentang anang pulih ka 5th semester English honors di lakai nga husnam Hajar di ngalong kumni mo ngalong visually impaired kumni na rup nangka ngadi na po mau brai ka bahap hamo senram constituency ngadon sangut sipara bat mga ngadi ibakat dudu de nadu benangka kakom jingetu jeng ime ipa kalong ba hakapor benangka yang hakapor kamtam hakapor banga ngalapar ki dapat kejeng linggo ba mga ngali turuk lumar sini satai mo henry suki ngakabangan ang he dapat kuntu sistem arsnem laisnem ge di naklang jime pa kila don tajik tumu bangan libu no yang siapo lira na siapo hospital mo po ghati lani po civil hospital sa ningkong ali siapo civil hospital te hadin tu ki ang ba ngimla syu ban ngimla ini ban sumar hikmat jong i mo di hadin nang ta kipale yang siapo ghati hadin ngalej ghati pa kila persyang ban sumar yang hari kimla di hadin untuk ki ang ba ngide ban put ni hikmat jong i kenang ba si gubernur ngilak ban snai hikmat jong i bangin laban penyu i mo hari nang tapat kila persyang itu kan dia bikin snai hikmat jong a la seban put henry kimla ban penyu i de hajinya lenti jong a hoi kadang kita kejing kidan lang kejing ngele mo henry wala kataru ngamdu jing kerman hoi dah kapor bakan red ngadon kita kejing smusi haladi ba boleh ngalong kumne don tengah kum keran mang akum ong ba ublei mat ulek sliang ba dia ba ikwi yang peni hari yang apat ulek kumne hari wala kataru don kipor ngasai yam ladi mo ngasai perkat ngasai duai mo boleh ngalong kumne henry ski pat ngasngo ba boleh persngo yang ba kamde ba ulek kumne yang i omde bau iben yang ini nana ni boleh seliang henry kriba udon yang tak plan nak pentajungi te minta pat ngadon iwe polok jonga ibaya pulilang bat ngamo ibedan jinuna kebodi i kumangahi sispa pesan kumangahi te ide nak English department.
Hi, my name is Takosangba and I'm from Nagaland. I'm also visually impaired. I would like to share a little bit about myself. I lost my vision in 2011 after an eye operation, and because of that, I had to quit school for 5-6 years, and it was one of the most difficult things that I had to I had experienced. And for those years, I was in great depression and was like hopeless. But through God's grace and from the support of my family members, friends, community, I was able to stand back again and continue the journey from where I left. And now I'm here in Shillong, in St. Edmunds College, Shillong, and I'm doing my BA English third semester. Well, despite being visually impaired and physically challenged, I also was introduced to the world of music. And during my difficult times and those heartbreaking times, music, it comforted me, and also it was like a companion to me. And music also helped me start my journey again, and also helped me mend my shattered spirit. It was in 2016 that I started playing the piano, but especially during the pandemic, I took it seriously, and it's been 3-4 years that I'm playing piano, and I'm also trying to motivate others through playing the instrument. I'm also like quite interested when it comes to playing sports. Despite being physically challenged, I also love playing football, cricket, and also I'm trying how to play table tennis just by listening to the ball. And yeah, it's kind of interesting. And while learning how to play the piano, at first it was very difficult for me. It's just like exploring something that is new, since I wasn't able to, I can't see anything, and like it was new to me. It was very hard for me to navigate the keys and also pressing the right keys, jumping from chords to chords. But slowly, like I was able to get a hand of it. And YouTube also helped me learn how to play, because these days we have a lot of accessible tools that we have. So using our phones, I learned how to play like by listening to piano tutorials, and also I also play guitar. So even guitars, pianos, and some other instruments, I learned how to play just by listening to it, just by hearing, and yeah.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
kumne rumah wala nga du gikmat kumne mo ba ublei u dan kata kajing tu yang Henry ngas ngutu bat tangan ga we ba aba ublei ule kumne ngi am udan ke halindat mo ba udan kata kajing tu ban penkela yiki we ngla ban ong ya ka society ki breu mo baro ngai ba lingba ka sap ka jongi ka ba ublei ai hangi ka dan ke ba mo udan kata kajing tu ta ban penkela yiki we te kum nganang kai thui phi kum manga mo ngadon kasap ngadon sibun ki talent kum nganang man roi nganang ban tem ki drums ki guitar ki bass ane nganang man ki beatboxing ane ngala ban nganang ki bun ki sport semua ngai sei lek kai kum tu kanget ba ublei udan kata ke jing thmu phi aba ule ngi kum ne manganget lara ule se ki don tang ki bebit babiang ru ule se kamdan kano ka isung tu te haki railing ba jungi kumne bat bangidan lang hakan ka society kamtam larangi bun ki ta ki brik badan juduna du khat mat ka penlong ki brik baben sung tu ba kim iban kan yano inoru ki kim iban ni kamtam ki baduk ka ban kong du ka point ka dei kamtam ki baduk dengan skop bang tu ipik bai ba mo ba menta mangaru ngadan hoi ka seng ka dei MLV bangi khat short form ka dei ka Meghalaya Liberation Association of Visually Impaired te ngabat kami we nang kitkam kami publicity secretary kita inang penbena mo ban ai khobor sakaseng te kajingrung jonga kan kaseng kolong ban kintiu ban pensung thu ya ka ilang salang mo phang jungi kajinge lenti jonga ngasem ba kajinge ler kidan hi mo kijing kemen ang niang tar kidan hi te dan teng mo kum mangai we ibadan jinah ka bor ui ka larang ayat lenti mo kamtam ya ka ba kata phai nga kadi gawe ka ngayat lenti dan kibri ki bang ngi ba kli ngi ba bali phimi sabar ane sei phim lej bali phimi sabar bali phim ting mo ya pi accident ane yang kemapi kumni phimlang ban mi sabar mar ba ya pi kumtam ya pi dan hab ka jeng men sao hab chanala ane pi accident ane mta ma phinyap mta rai ka message lane ka khobor ka banga ko ban ai pik ba kolong ba wala gilong kumni ru ngidan kata ka jingkwa ane ngi dan kam ya kata ka bangingin ilong inclusive bat phi ma bangin ya long ringkat dor bat phi kan namar ba wala ngilong kumni ru bakna ru ring ngimla tem ngin syong haju nginamla ngana example tang por covid-19 ru phi syong kumba lai bna sobna ru bna hayeng ru lalong ya thnum de kanu tamli mangil langin shon ki post nam hayeng atu ngin la se without doing nothing in shong bi hayeng de kadika ni kan ba ku mangaong mentan mo ba blai uai kata ka ability te uai kata yangi kata ka jingla kasap ka phom ni ka jenang jing start mo ngano fi mundur sei mo ba mangi la ban le school kumne men chwa ngathrai men chok bor banang nang ret mangaru bor ki ombe ki jikerman ngai ki omba pi te pinmi o shum school mangasen ai plat fi mo ba ki ong ba mangi thrangin poi si sono kan rengai dat timba ka jing plat ti jung blai te ngila te bingin poi sa thong te men ta pa ngala ban dimba gumtu pa ngala ban school nanti po betting society ngala ban join nursery ngapandep ya ka kastof na tuhi te men ta pa ngawan hani ha po sin elements college te kata kadika point ka ban kong te point ka baar ka banga ko ban kerpat ya ka imang salang kamtam kinang mi khmat ani ki officers mo kalong ba ajing shaman kapor kila pen sngohi ka ba bai dei bakane ka jing kran mo kumong kumingi berubah mi ki om manla ane berubah mi song ki om kelut ane deko tinga ngako ban sngohi hang ne ba lara kalong ka bala ngatharai pimre suban use kini ki word kin namar ba dan teng am akajing ya lenti jungi ilong ki don katokan ni ki beri ba dan jik sngote la ki khat kum tu lai khat kum ni kita kata kajing kata hangi ki mo ka baar pat kalong ya ka UDID ngako ban kerpat pi baro ba pin yashna no nama kat kum jing tip jonga ki person with disabilities ka kum ka census arja khat wei gidan kumba sapsau hajar ruspa tam henry mentapat kat kum ki break badan ya ka UDID kumba i commissioner for person with disabilities ya thu kalong ba idan kidan tang kumba at khandai hajar ngut tam ai de ngatrai ani kumba khasan hajar tam ek empat ya apply mas tengah kerpat fi baru pin apply yang ni ka solution ma kalau kalong kawai ka lat kelenti ban apply ki scheme lani ki scholarship baro ki ba per mo ha bai dei ban jengi ki priu betul juna du khatmen ti ku mangaru ngla apply kan ki UDID ngla yo akti mo kum kena pule kadang hayu ban apply ya kan ka scholarship ru ke belong kalat jingarap dilara kiwi ki kene piru pilih ban scholarship dan pilih ban taka jindu jingkatmen dari ban pediang baik je ke ba pilal long Pepin aingu ba you play ke banding kalau pepin aingu ba you play mo lar long penuh ru bikin jing ler song praise the Lord di commander praise the Lord ta ka dekawe ka message ke pengakuan ai kamar ba dan pengingat ba boleh bingi kuni di bulan kita kacing mu de ngasonguri kibriu kiba yarap yangi nakalang po college ni lakalong sabar jane college yangi ru kamta pagi yang ti don ta kibriu mo yarap haingi kamta mi ko ban cross itu kiwan kelingi ki cross ringi yarap ringi ban tangi attack siru tangi yarap ringi kamta mi driver su tengah lap bagi abang ilang penyiar serta penyiar IGP ne penyiar po civil hospital ne biar baik penyiar baik ju laptop gigi mo kum ka jingel inti jonga kata mo nganget ba boleh kui fi nganget ba kai ke jingle jung bha jung pi ngi kasawan kaliang pi ka jing bha ye mangi silam bit taki bangin su doai mana pa jong pi so regarding music like as me and my friend like taku like we have experience that I think music like give us hope and like makes us delighted, right?
Yeah.
Is that true?
Of course, like during our difficult times, right?
Yeah, right. Especially during difficult times, it makes us happy. Like,
course.
Like if we're playing like music, like especially keyboard or guitar, anything like
any type of
music,
music.
it makes us happy, and also like I believe that it'll be inspiring others. Like,
It will be a tool, right? Like
Yeah.
to inspire others.
yeah, like suppose if we show talent, sometimes people like those who can see like if they saw us, like I found some
Yeah.
like some program like I was performing, like,
Yeah.
they saw us and like they were so shocked like how come like he is blind but he's still playing keyboard and still playing like
Yeah.
guitar and all. Like,
Even me, I've experienced that. Like they used to come and just shake my hands. Like I didn't know that you were visually impaired. I have experienced those kind of feedbacks from.
yes,
Yeah.
like it makes people, especially like when I did beatbox, like they
Yes.
was so shocked like who taught you beatbox and like
Yeah.
how did you know like how to do beatbox and all, like they were so shocked. So I believe that through us it'll
Yeah.
be inspiring others like to how to say like to work hard,
Yeah.
especially in music.
Yeah,
Work
yeah.
hard, like never give up.
Of course.
They should be patient, right?
Yeah.
They should be patient like regarding music.
Even as we at first we struggled a lot.
Yeah.
Because like this visually like this side, it was like hindering us to go forward. But like we just left this behind and just we
Yes,
just
yes.
continued on our
So
journey.
sometimes I feel like it's hard for us to learn YouTube also. But I believe like people who can see, so please don't how to say like don't waste your time. And, don't waste especially your talent.
Yeah.
Please practice, keep practicing. Believe that
Value your time, everything, no?
Yeah, you'll reach somewhere.
Sharon Shaneng Ipai Pandin no Yaki Way And I walk and die Without Riba Ipai Riba Lagu Play Bakit yang kaya Metim joga kislay They don't metim shimang Paken shime Bakmi Yung kaya pa Nakirsim ka jingjang Nakami basilnya
Seem to not be slave.
bagi don ya kabanta jo kajingla banle ya ke bagi sutuna bani ngiri banyo ya kajing itali ba kajing aiman sin parabrio ngim dei ban thau chinan khma yang ni yang bagi netali gum ke bagi basta ba bantei ba ban aiman sin ba bakrshan parabrio nama kajing itana jong kajing kasdang ba kajing ra ba kajing kershan iwei na kabanta galawai ba kajing ka ba pernai kan mo kajing kali pi gawai kai ka pin jingai ka sap kajing kadai ka bangi ton ya kajing mut kajongi ka bangi khen pamla kumbang lai ya ka video no bazang jung armut ki person with disability ki ba share ka life ka jung ki ka jung ki na to testimony ka jung ki ba ki don ni la jong ka banta ka sap ka jung ki ba uni ku thuk wan na ka channel kan ma pi ko ba kam nei ka channel ka jong ku thuk na kam nei ka channel jong office ni pamang ka jong ni ka nei ka channel ka kerpang tam na ka banta ki person with disability ada pi so thu don ka jung ka ka men sim ma jarab hari la ni ni ko ba share ka ba subscribe ba pa si perlu ki para jor jofi nama untuk kumla panya si baru ki person with disability dan ki bre ki berjana khamen re kan ni social media da ka share ka jofi da ka pa ka jofi si ba yin ki ba sem ka jofi ki badan hasor dan hano kondong ki la panyo ya kan ni video ba langar on video la ki pa kanu no ba suggestion na kanu ka jing mut ka jofi kila comment sa kanila YouTube ko juni kanila no comment sa bangi upload ka video ko juni kila comment kila ajing mut nani kila yathu ngi ke person with disabilities ki dan kam haka ka ba bi video tangata ko tu yo pi kublai shibun shajar mo we blai ko